So let's take the same number, that is 135.75. So to the base 10 we are converting it into hexadecimal. The radix or base of hexadecimal number system is 16. So we'll continuously or repeatedly divide 135 by 16 and multiply 0.75 by 16. So let's do it. So 135 divided by 16 is 8 with remainder 7, and we do not need to do the division any further because 8 and 7 are valid symbols in hexadecimal number system. So we have already found out the answer, that is 87 to the base 16, that is the whole number part. Now for fractional part, and always remember we will read from bottom up. Now for the fractional part, 0.75 into 16 we will get 12.00, and we do not have any fractional part left, so 0.00, there is no point in multiplying it by 16 and continuing, so we have done with it. But 12 is not a valid symbol in hexadecimal number system. So what is the corresponding hexadecimal of 12? So we know that A is 10, B is 11, C is 12. So this is the comparison between, so we have hexadecimal here and decimal here. So 12 corresponds to C in hexadecimal number system. So we can write it as 87.C to the base 16. Now one important point to note here is that here we have ended at 0.00. In certain cases we may repeatedly get fractions again and again by this multiplication process. That can happen to any decimal conversion of the fractional part. So in that case we can stop at required precision. So in order to summarize the conversion from decimal number to other number system, so for whole number part, in binary we will continuously divide by 2, for octal we will divide by 8, and hexadecimal we divide by 16, which is, so these numbers are simply the base of corresponding number systems. And for fractional part we will multiply it by 2 for binary, multiply it by 8 for octal, and multiply it by 16 for hexadecimal. And in the case of division we will go from bottom to top. When we read the equivalent values we will read from bottom to top, and for fractional part we will read from top to bottom. Now in the next video we will see the conversion from binary to other number systems.